friends, I am Sneha Savla. Welcome to yet another wonderful Wednesday where Sparkling Activities is presenting a new video. So this is a continuation of the previous video. So the object that we have selected for today are these same disposable paper cups. We had shown you all 4 activities in the previous video. Today we are going to show you all additional 4 activities with the help of these cups. So let's get started. For activity number 1, this is going to be an alternating activity. So we are going to make an alternating pattern. So in this activity, this open end of the cup, now suppose it faces upwards for the first cup. For the second one, the open end is going to face downwards. The third cup, the open end will face upwards, and for the fourth cup, the open end will face downwards. So in such a manner, what I will basically do is, I will make a sequential pattern wherein open end faces upwards, downwards, upwards and downwards. So in case I have done an error, for example, wherein this open end was facing upwards and by mistake I put it in this manner, through my visual perception, I have to understand that I have made an error and I have to self-correct myself. So this is activity number 1. Now activity number 2 is a slight variation of this activity number 1. So over here, what I am going to do is, I am going to keep 4 cups on my right and 4 cups on my left, and I will segregate these cups. Now this activity is a bilateral coordination activity. As you all know, we have a left cerebral hemisphere and we have a right cerebral hemisphere, and for almost all our routine and daily tasks, we need a bilateral coordination. So this activity is going to target your bilateral coordination. So this activity, for this activity, I'm going to use both my hands together. So I pick up 1 cup from here and 1 from here. And what I'm going to do is, I'm going to place the closed end on the facing the upwards and open end facing upwards in this manner over here. Now for the second row, I'm going to make an alternating pattern similar to our activity number 1. So again, I have picked up 2 cups together simultaneously with both my hands. Now since here the closed end faced upwards, the alternating sequence will be made when this open end will face upwards. So what I'm going to do is, when I pick these cups like this, to immediately understand that this is the sequence that follows, and I have to place over here. So in such a similar manner, I'm going to do this activity which requires your complex target skill of bilateral coordination of the brain. So this is a very simple activity when it comes to us understanding that both our hands should work together. But if in case your children need help, you all can surely help them and give them prompts so that it becomes easier for them to make this sequence. So this was activity number 2. Now in activity number 3, what we are going to do is, we are going to make a tower. If you all remember, in the previous video, we had also shown you all towers. So in the previous video, what we had shown you all as a simple tower was, when we place 2 cups over here, between the 2 cups, we place another cup. So that was a tower that we had made in the previous video. For today's video, what we have selected is that there will be 3 cups that will be placed in this manner, and we have to target 3 cups and place 1 cup over here. So this is the tower that we are going to make. So I'll make a slightly bigger tower for you all to understand in a better way, and also you all will enjoy it. So suppose, for example, I start with 4 cups over here. So this is my first line. Now instead of putting a cup over here, what I'm going to do is between these 2 cups, but over here, because as this task requires you to put a cup between 3 cups, you all will have to have more cups for this activity. So over here, what I'm doing is, I have kept 4 cups, then 3, then 2, and then the last one. So this is my ground layer that is formed. Now let's move on to the first layer. So this is number 1, 2, 3. So between these 3 cups, I'm going to place 1 cup over here. 1, 2, 3. So here we go. So in this manner, what I will do is, I will place all the cups. Again, try and ensure that the fan is switched off during this activity so that it does not become that difficult for you all. Now this is my first layer. So this was my ground base, my first base. Now I'm going to make a second base over here. So 1, 2, 3, and here we go. So I'm going to complete this tower. And finally, you all will see that there are 3 cups that remain over here. So this is number 1 that happens. So this is a 4-layered tower that we have made. It's a very beautiful tower if you all see, and I'm very sure that your children will enjoy this. You can also use this activity as a competition activity where you all give a particular time span of say 1 minute or so, and give a target to make many towers that are possible in 1 minute. So this is your activity number 3. Now let's move on to activity number 4. Now activity number 4 is a very simple activity, something that I definitely enjoy and I'm very sure that all the children will enjoy. So for this activity number 4, what I'm going to do is basically I've just put 1 cup over here. I'm going to blow over this cup so that it falls towards the other end of the table. So let's get started. So this is how it goes. Now in case I don't want to make it this simple, what I can do is I can put 2 cups over here in the same line or in a slanting manner. I will blow on this cup so that it goes and clashes on this cup. So this clashed and both the cups fell down. So this is a very simple activity, but all the children enjoy this activity as the cups fall down. So these were our 4 different activities for today. I hope you all liked the activities today, and I hope that you all liked the previous video as well. So please do like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel Sparkling Activities. I will see you all next Wednesday. Happy playing!